This freaking jar is humongous and filled to the brim, actually overstuffed up here with jewelry. Let's get straight into it, shall we? She left a sweet little note, but did not leave her Depop, so I will try to find it, and I'll link it below or tag her below, one of the two. I'll figure it out, but let's get straight into it. There's so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Everything's in baggies, though. There's so many earrings. Oh my god, there's so many earrings in here. Holy crap. First off, we have these. These are stunning. I'll be keeping these forever. Next up are these little shell earrings. Adorable. Mine. I wonder if she handmade these. And then we've got these little, like, plant, or what are those? Are those fish? I can't really tell. I think they're just earrings. Oh, wait, these are mine. No, okay. Now we've got a couple bangles. I'm not going to keep any of them. Don't love bangles unless I'm, like, really, really drawn to a specific one. Oh, more earrings. Okay, we've got these little, like, rosy kind of ones. Flowers. Mine. Got these ones. One of the things broke off, but I'm not going to keep it anyway. So for you, a little baggie of some goodies. Oh, I love. Oh, I love. That is so cool. Yeah, I'm keeping mine. Thank you. We've got these two rings, and they go together, and they're tiny. Okay, yeah, those are gorgeous. I'm keeping. Oh, they look like little waterfalls of gold. I'm keeping. Oh, that's so whimsical. Like, gothic whimsical. Whimsy goth. Keeping. Shut up, dude. That's so pretty. I'm keeping that as well. This jar is already so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, man, those are pretty, but I'm not going to keep. They'll be for you. Whoa, this bracelet's really cool. And it is, I think, stamped, maybe. No, maybe it's not. This will be for you, not for me. These will be for you and not for me. Not gonna keep the, well, okay, maybe. Actually, I really like that. We've got an anklet. I wonder if she hand makes a lot of this. Ooh, anklets. Okay. First off, we've got this one. Keeping. Oh, yes. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's mine. I think this might be, not, yeah, this is a bracelet. This will be for you. Oh, come on. Ooh, maybe. Purple. Oh my. I'm gonna feel like Rapunzel from Tangled. That's mine. More earrings. It's so hot in my room, you guys. I'm dying. These are so pretty. Maybe. Oh. This bracelet? Yeah, that's mine. Look. Oh, I like that. Keep. I'm not gonna keep this one, though. Ooh. Whoa. These are giving, like, seaweed, and I'm keeping. You've got these little shell earrings, I think. Ooh. I always drop the most fragile stuff. Okay, maybe. I'm not gonna take this one out, because I'm not gonna keep. Oh, that's pretty. Yep. Mine. I love how all of this is like genuine vintage too. This little ring I'm not gonna keep. Do these match that purple necklace? They do. I'm keeping those. These ones are pretty. Not keep though. I don't wear clip-ons, and then these ones are not clip-ons. They're just regular flowers, but I don't like that color, like coral color, so that'll be for you and not for me. Oh my goodness, I'm keeping that. That's so pretty. Okay, I think you guys like this, but I'm not gonna keep. Definitely go check out part 2, you guys. We still have this much left. I love you all so much. Bye. We are on part 2 of this beautiful pink jar that was filled to the brim before. Now we are halfway through it. Let's get straight into it. I'll be tagging her below if I can find her. or there was no like Depop or anything on the note that she sent, and I get so like lost with these things that I can't remember who sends what sometimes, which I apologize for, by the way. But I love you all very much dearly. That's really cool. But would I wear that? Okay, maybe. I kind of like that. Okay, we got this pink bracelet. I'm not gonna keep. This bracelet is huge. I'm not gonna keep that. Oh. Okay, first off, I'm keeping that forever. I love that color combination. Second off, are you joking me? Oh my god, I'm keeping that too. Okay, we've got this pink beaded bracelet I'm keeping. We've got this yellow flower ring I'm not going to keep. This ring, that's actually pretty cool, but maybe. What are you? Maybe as well, though. I can't really tell what it is. Oh, it's a pin, a little butterfly pin. Look at her. I'm keeping. Something just fell out. Uh-oh. Okay. These definitely have a lot of gems in them that just flew out. Keeping. I'm gonna figure out what to do with those gems. That's a big watch. That'll be for you. Okay, we've got these little caged earrings I'm not gonna keep. And then we've also got this blue beaded one that I love. I love that color. Mine. Got this little dainty necklace. That'll be for you. Ooh, I know I'm gonna love this, actually. Yeah, that's mine. Oh, are these earrings? More earrings. I can keep these ones. Is this an ear cuff? Oh, and it looks like a like genuine vintage one. Yeah, that's mine. This beaded bracelet. That actually really hurts. Ow. Okay, I'm not gonna keep. It's very pretty though. Oh, those are gorgeous. Gorgina. Mine. Oh, okay. We've got these little earrings I'm not gonna keep. First off, we've got these earrings I'm keeping. Okay, we've got these earrings. They're like shells. I'm not gonna keep though. That's actually really cool. Oh man. Oh, I'm keeping. Those are so pretty. Oh, and then this bracelet. It's got a leaf on it. Mine. This little charm necklace. I'm not gonna keep that. I'm gonna dump. I can't keep digging in here like that. Gorgeous, but not keep. Whoa. I love how they're like wire wrapped. It looks like heat treated citrine. I will be keeping. These are freaking sick too. They're like bird earrings, yes. Ugh. And this is our last baggie. And it is this necklace, which I will not be keeping. But thank you so much for this jar. I'll be tagging her below. Definitely go check her out. I love you all so much. Bye.